to another episode of Joey's Experimental Kitchen, being filmed here at the McKittrick Farmers Mercantile. Thank you for coming to my live studio audience. Fall is such a great time to be eating locally grown produce. Well, any time of year is great to eat locally grown produce, but I especially enjoy the produce grown in the fall. So today we're going to be talking about pumpkins. Pumpkins and squash. Everyone should eat red vegetables every day, as well as green vegetables. A colorful meal is a healthy meal. And squash, pumpkins, sweet potatoes, these are some things that most people don't eat every day, but you should, because they're extremely delicious, versatile, and loaded with vitamin A, which is good for your skin and your hair and all kinds of things. So, also, pumpkins, which are grown here locally, are very durable. You can store one of these pumpkins on the shelf for many months with no refrigerating. And not only is it decorative, it can be used in any type of meal, from desserts to appetizers to entrees. They come in all shapes and sizes, from big ones to individual serving size. So, what we're going to do with our pumpkins today is to try a delicious, tasty appetizer recipe. So, we're going to start doing our show a little bit differently for those of you that have seen my cooking show in the past. Starting from today, we will be having the show broken down into two parts. So first we're going to talk about the ingredients, and then we're going to go and prepare the food. So join me now in the kitchen where we will prepare our first recipe.